The world's economy has been in turmoil for the past few years, affecting even the largest companies and industries. During this time of financial uncertainty, one company has emerged as the world's largest e-commerce direct selling company, Doobly Network. Doobly Network markets memberships to Doobly.com, the world's ultimate destination for shopping and entertainment. Doobly.com features the world's largest online shopping mall with the ability to serve millions of customers every day in more than 200 countries. Doobly.com is taking the world by storm and has become one of the fastest growing e-commerce companies in business today. Doobly Network is a subsidiary of Doobly Incorporated, a publicly listed company whose stock is traded in the United States. With corporate offices in Boca Raton, Dubai, and Berlin, Doobly Network is quickly becoming a dominant player on the world stage with business associates around the globe. Doobly Network is led by founder and CEO Michael Hansen, a board of directors, and a management team with extensive business leadership and experience. This powerful combination of experienced leadership and cutting-edge technology is now generating hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue annually. With Doobly Network, business associates are in business for themselves, but not by themselves, and have built a strong foundation of support. The company provides its business associates with industry-leading training and support through cutting-edge tools and technology, including its own corporate university and television network, the Doobly Academy and Doobly TV, and with events and trips to dream destinations around the world. The company even has its own private resort in the Cayman Islands for entertaining top field leaders. This is your chance to build an exciting career in one of the most powerful industries in the world today, global e-commerce. We welcome you to the world of Doobly Network. Doobly Network. Doobly Network.